We now move to one of the most exciting and transformative technologies, generative AI. This branch of artificial intelligence goes beyond analyzing data. It creates new content, whether it's text, images, code, or even music. With tools like ChatGPT, organizations are exploring new possibilities in automation, creativity, and productivity. Let's dive into what it is, how it works, and where it's making the biggest impact. Let's talk about the foundation of any successful digital transformation: vision and leadership. It all starts with a clear vision. Leaders need to define what success looks like and communicate the why behind the transformation. They must also model digital behaviors, like data-driven decision-making, and allocate resources effectively to support the change. This vision must be aligned with business strategy, customer expectations, and real market conditions. For instance, a retail CEO may envision a shift to a digital-first brand and back it up by investing in AI-powered tools, staff reskilling, and improved digital channels. Before diving into digital transformation, it's critical to assess the organization's current state. This is your readiness assessment. We start with digital maturity. Is your tech infrastructure current, or is it holding you back? Next, look at skill readiness. Are your people equipped with the digital skills needed? Then, process maturity. Are your workflows adaptable or stuck in rigid patterns? Finally, evaluate cultural readiness. Are employees open to change, or is there resistance? Use tools like surveys, maturity models, SWOT analysis, and stakeholder interviews to gather insights. For example, a logistics firm did a readiness audit and found that 70% of staff needed upskilling before rolling out automation. That insight saved them from failed implementation. Once the organization is ready, the next step is to build a digital roadmap, a clear step-by-step guide for executing the transformation. This roadmap should define your goals and KPIs, what success looks like. It outlines prioritized initiatives, for example CRM upgrades or RPA deployments, and sets clear timelines and dependencies. Also, factor in budget, resources, and ownership, who's doing what, and how much it'll cost. Importantly, the roadmap isn't static. It needs to be agile, reviewed and revised at least quarterly to adapt to change. For instance, a bank might plan Q1, launch a chatbot for customer support. Q2, enable mobile KYC. Q3, implement RPA for back-end reconciliation. This ensures progress is structured, measurable, and aligned with the business strategy. Now let's talk about governance and KPIs, which are essential to ensure the digital transformation stays on track. Governance models bring clarity, accountability, and execution discipline. This means setting up steering committees to oversee progress, change champions to drive adoption, and clear decision-making structures to speed up execution and reduce bottlenecks. To measure success, we rely on Key Performance Indicators, or KPIs. These help us answer, are we making progress? Some common KPIs include adoption rate of new digital tools, reduction in cycle time, are we getting faster? Uptime of platforms, are our systems stable and reliable? And employee or customer satisfaction, are people benefiting from the changes? For instance, a manufacturing firm might set a goal to reach 80% adoption of a digital job card system within 3 months, tracking progress weekly. Good governance backed by KPIs ensures you don't just launch a digital initiative, you actually land it successfully.